Relative to moving better, I have a question to ask you. Have you ever wondered why it seems more challenging to execute daily movements with ease compared to when you were younger? Is it simply a matter of the natural aging process? In part, it may be. However, it may also relate to something else that affects how you physically age. It is this thing that motivated me to create HUMOMA. Hello, my name is Dr. Richard O'Mell. I'm a chiropractor and movement coach. HUMOMA is an acronym for Human Movement Management. At the root of many painful musculoskeletal conditions is what I refer to as unconscious body misuse. Unconscious body misuse is defined as any use of the body that is incongruent with its structural and functional design. In other words, not moving enough, and when moving, not executing the movement in a way that minimizes uneven stress on involved body parts. The idea of body misuse is at the root of most painful musculoskeletal conditions. This may explain those repeated episodes of unannounced lower back pain, neck pain, knee pain, or shoulder pain that seem to circulate throughout your life. The subtle and growing limitation of normal ranges of motion associated with your daily activities are often the effects, that is, the end stage of the quiet process of body misuse. HUMOMA is a business with a purpose to assist you in your desire to move better throughout your life. The focus of our programs is to help you learn the necessary human movement management skills that enable you to recognize poor movement habits and replace them with better movement habits as they occur and wherever they occur. It's a way to invest in your movement future. Discover the difference movement management skills can have on your life. Have I provoked some curiosity? Let's talk about how we can help you move better throughout your life. Are you curious to learn how to move better throughout your life? Check our website out.